Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher, Sir Fawad Akhtar Ansari. You may see the output of a program which shows converter menu, and then it gives you two options. Option 1 is to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, press 1, and option 2 is to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, press 2. This program is about the temperature that will convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius and then Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now, what if I press 1? Let's see what happens. It takes the input from the user, enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Whatever the temperature, let's suppose 33 I input, then it shows the output. 33 Fahrenheit equals to 0.555 Celsius. Now I press enter to terminate the program. Now what if I input 2? Now it takes the user input in the Celsius. What if I input 39 and 39 Celsius equals to 102.2 Fahrenheit? The problem is that how to make this program. It is for the beginners, of course, and then what we needed, that this is ordinary program like others, but we need to find out the formula for the use the variable Celsius, Fahrenheit and the temperature, and the data is the double, means that our answer would be in the decimals as well. Then I use the variable twice and the data type is integer. Now this is a heading, right line, converter menu, and this is another heading, subheading, convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and then Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now whatever the user will input, our console application will read that line and then store in the choice variable. I use the select case statement, select case, and the variable is choice. Case 1 means if the user inputs 1, then what will happen? It will take the user input, console.write, enter temperature in Fahrenheit, and then whatever the application will detect the data, it will read that line and store in the Fahrenheit variable. Now next is a temperature variable. What it includes? The formula of Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now I use a formula that the Fahrenheit value that is already stored in the Fahrenheit variable, Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied 5 divided by 9. This is the formula to convert the Fahrenheit into the Celsius. Next, console write line will show the output of Fahrenheit that you already input, and then it will display Fahrenheit with the equals to, and then it will show the temperature, whatever the temperature was calculated, and its unit in the Celsius. What if the user input 2? So the case 2 is here, and the user input enter temperature in Celsius. Whatever we input the data, console application will read that line and store in the Celsius variable. Now the formula of Celsius to Fahrenheit is very simple. Temperature equals to Celsius multiply 9 divided by 5 plus 32. This is the formula. Now it will display the same thing, Celsius variable, means whatever the Celsius was, and the Celsius equals to, and then it will show the temperature and the unit is in Fahrenheit along with the concatenation signs. Now our case statement is switched off with the select case and select, and then our application will read the key to shut down the program. Now it's time to test an application. So what if I input 1? It takes the user input temperature in Fahrenheit. So we input the temperature in the Fahrenheit, let's suppose 38. It gives the output in the Celsius form. 38 Fahrenheit equals to 3.3 Celsius. This is a test 1. Now it's time to do test 2. What if I input 2 and I enter temperature in Celsius? Let's suppose 41. Now 41 Celsius equals to 105.8 Fahrenheit. As for now, our application runs successfully. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.